What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to do a full unboxing and review of the Mechlands Vibe 75 mechanical keyboard. I'm very excited that Mechlands has sent this video, this mechanical keyboard over to me to review on my channel. And I'm very excited because there's like this unique little screen here on the keyboard, and it also has a very unique sound. So let's go ahead and jump into this full unboxing and review.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
All right, welcome back. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing here. Just in terms of the outside of the box, you've got the different benefits. So 75% hot swap, gasket mounted mechanical keyboard, swappable screen or knob as well. That's a really cool feature. We've got 75% the swappable screen or multimedia knob. We've got the Type-C wired or Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz wireless connections. It's either 3-pin or 5-pin hot swappable for the switches. And we also have the dynamic RGB backlighting, which I will show you here shortly. And there is the keyboard. Very good looking keyboard. I like the little screen there. I love the side of the mechanical keyboard. Reminds me of like an Iron Man kind of suit with the color scheme going on here. So you have the Mac or the Windows switch, your USB-C slot, of course, and you've got your options for wireless, USB, or Bluetooth connections. Also very unique sound. And I'll do the sound test here shortly. But yeah, really unique mechanical keyboard here too. And again, this screen actually does come out. So this is swappable if you want to do like a knob in there for volume instead of having a screen on there. Very cool background here with like the metal. So I love that. And yeah, you've got the 280 milliamp and 3.7 volt for the power that comes into this. You got your mechanical keyboard feet that come out here, which is pretty cool. I like this. This is also magnetic, but this is where your wireless USB connection sits in there. So very cool. Yeah, overall in terms of the look and feel, very cool and very unique look and feel for the keyboard. Now in the box, this is where I think we've got the volume knob that can be switched out. Yeah, so this is the volume knob. So instead of this screen here, you can actually put this volume knob to control volume. So really cool modularity on that, which I really like. You've got your switch puller and the keycap puller, and of course you have the USB-C connection. So now in terms of the lighting and the functions, a lot of different options here you have with the function keys, just like a typical mechanical keyboard that you can get. You've got the pairing the Bluetooth connection here. That walks you through how to do that with either Bluetooth or wireless or the wired mode. Now in terms of the battery, it is a 4,000 milliamp battery, so it should be lasting a really long time here. Also shows you how to swap out the different switches in case you need that as well. So, and then yeah, in terms of the keycaps, so very easy to pop these out, and you can see here's the switch down in there. So, and then it's really easy to swap out these switches to something else that you might like if you find that you don't like these switches that come with it out of the box. Now, overall, I do think that this is really cool mechanical keyboard. Listen to the sound here. Let's do a quick sound test. So really cool. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB-C connection now. We have it powering on. Really cool animation here with the screen coming on from Mechlands. It looks like we've got a Mac connection. Shows the battery power here. Wow, that's really cool. Very cool. And then got to make sure I'm on Mac connection here. Yep, and I'm able to type on my keyboard. So I'm up here, yeah, typing right now. All right, so you can see I've got the wired connection here. So I'm just gonna type, hello world. This is me typing on the Mechlands Vibe 75. So pretty cool. And again, I really like the sound. Very impressive here. The screen is actually such a cool feature on that. Love having the ability to have, yeah, like informed information just from that little screen on there. This is my second mechanical keyboard with the screen on it. So, but yeah, really impressed there. You've got your little lights that light up here for caps, screen lock, window lock. So, but yeah, overall, very impressive product. Really like the keyboard. These are cherry profile double shot PBT keycaps. So yeah, there are a lot of different options that you can have with if you wanted to swap out, you know, these PBT keycaps with something else. So one of the interesting things about it is it's got some weight to it, and it is full plastic except for these pieces. These are fully metal here. So it's got, yeah, interesting design on there. Now these are flex cut PC plates with finely tuned stabilizers as well. So overall, yeah, I give 2 thumbs up to the Vibe 75 keyboard here from Mechlands. Highly recommend you guys checking it out. If you have any other questions about this keyboard that I did not address here in this video, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. And please remember to like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss other product reviews. I do a lot of other mechanical keyboard reviews, and I do a lot of AI content on my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.